Suppose I best do an intro. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's a little bit different. I don't know what that noise was. But we are not at the uni today. We are off to see our mate Lee. If you remember the Toyota Sora, we did the modded knuckles and we've been on a drift day with him and that. He has a 34 Skyline. And we're going to do some work on that. And that's all I'm going to say for now. Welcome to the Cut Loose channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you've not already, because I'm looking at them numbers. Come on, rookie numbers, get them up. I'll tune in when we get there and we'll see all this awkwardness on camera from us both. And the neighbours looking at us because I'm working from his house today. Here he is. What's he doing, mate? What are we doing?
That fucking bolt has gone loosey-goosey on me.
Oh.
Has it got a nut, the other end?
In the boot? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tried it, I'll nip it up. Battery's dead.
Is it?
Yeah, it's been on the whole time, remember?
Oh, man.
What's this? What's this, mate? Air suspension on a Nissan Skyline. I don't give it the seal of approval, sorry mate. Look at this. Here we are. Hello. Lee's run off now because the camera's out. Scared him, ain't ya? Here's his 34 Gtst. Single turb ski. What is it, 600? 550?
560.
And a stock radiator.
It ain't broken, don't fix it.
That's plasma manual. Was that just, that's the version 1, isn't it?
No, that's a stock one, and the Plasma Man bolts onto it because the stock RB25 one, it splits into two.
Ah.
So you use the first half, you bolt this on the second half.
That's told you. I might show Grant that because he thought he'd have to buy the whole thing.
The whole thing.
And then the injector rails and everything.
We'll do a new one now, but replace
all
the
in
whole
one.
But you don't need to. These are good, man. You get a lot of high end.
I'm gonna be a car reviewer. This is a Nissan Skyline. I noticed these earlier, little leather covers. But yeah, anyway, I suppose I should Lee's told me to pick up the camera because I can't be bothered. But he wants a bit of 5 minutes YouTube fame. He's bought some Stance Aircups and some BC Coilovers. So we have literally just fitted the BC Coilovers with the Aircups. I've done all the wiring, that's it. So, but you can't put these have to be on BCs, do they?
They have to be on BCs, yeah.
So if you ain't got BCs, you ain't putting them on. I've been doing all the wiring. So we're doing all the wiring and got the switches all done. So here's the switch. Here's all the wiring in. And then the relay, and that's for the power. We've got to do all the airlines still, but we're just getting in the back for now. Look at these chunky monkeys. We're putting in the air tank in the boot with the pump, with the air pump. He's got a nice little swimming pool feature going on.
Just got to get some fish later.
Yeah. So this is Pimp My Ride 2021. You know how we do. But yeah, that's it really. Put the coilover on, put the air cups on, do the wiring, and then we're going to plumb all the airline in, which is this stuff. Couple of T's. But yeah, thought I'd just pick up the camera and show you what we're doing. I'm gonna have to put you on charge now as well. Sad. I'm just cutting all the wires. This is for the T's. Just figuring out the brackets. This is all the wiring. So we've stripped out the boot. We've made 3 mounting points here for the tank. We're going to drill a small hole here to put the hose through. And then we're putting a rubber grommet in, which will slide through the hose, because we don't want to have any problems with our hose. You get me?
Yeah, I got these. So This
Ah,
little
yeah,
part,
that's it.
or you got the square.
Yeah, either or. So yeah, we're gonna drill the Nissan. It's not my car. Sorry, Lou. We're still here. Don't worry. We're taking the old suspension off now. Here we go. We've got the new BCs on with the air cups, and I'll put the airline here through where the ABS was. That's a cable tie. But don't worry, I'm probably going to go through the whole installation with you afterwards, because we ain't got time to do how to. Sorry. Airbags. Nissan. We're done.
Just double check this.
So here we are. We've got the BC coilover on, and the valves at the top, at the back here. Drill the little hole, cable tie. Drill the hole there, put it in. Run it across the back of the firewall, down. That is passenger side. Driver side, exactly the same, but we've come through here, which is the old ABS one. Done the same thing there, cable tie, new coilover. Then I drag my fat ass under the car, and you can see the T here. This one is the one that goes up, cable tie out the way of the steering column. That brake line's close, nothing to do with me. This one then goes up, T, one line to the back, and I've decided to follow the fuel lines away from the exhaust, and that's just one hose cable tied every 4 to 6 inches down the car. It's nice and neat, ain't that? Yeah, tidy. Get this thing. This is a proper car review under the car. And then we went through this grommet here. It come under the back, over the subframe, and then we went through this one here, and the rear goes through there into a T, into another T, and it's out the way of the wheel, everything like that. If you can think of a better way of mounting it, go for it, but that's what we've done. We've put some riv nuts in here to mount the tank, and then we're also going to put the compressor here with riv nuts again. We've already wired it up. I'm not going through that. Meccas that as you please. But that's what we're left with. We need to get a couple more connectors. We're going to chuck the compressor in and see if we can get it to work. We'll see you in a minute. So it works, but the pump is a bit small. It's taking its time. Please ignore the wiring. I shouldn't even show you, but we ran out of bullet connectors, so we've just had to twist, tape, butcher. It's Lee's fault. You failed to prepare. Ghetto. Yeah, we're just waiting for the compressor to fill up. I don't know how long that's going to take. But at least it works. You happy?
Yeah, when I see work, yeah.
Well, it works, so my work here is done. It goes up and down, it's way too loud, it's probably destroying the audio. But yeah, when the compressor turns off, I'll turn you back on. So we're about there. This thing was leaking. That little brass terminal was leaking, so we had to wind it all the way in.
Sounds good tone, isn't it?
Ooh. Just watch it don't blow up. It should just turn off though, shouldn't it?
Yeah, on its own, yeah. That's what the relay's for, to turn it on and off.
Ah, let's see if we've wired it in right.
So that pressure switch should turn the triggered a relay to switch it up, yeah.
We have full confidence in ourselves. Let's have a look what we got. Some working motions, see our keys. It's a project. We're getting bored of waiting, so I think we're just going to pull the trigger. What do you reckon? Oh! It's gone off. It's gone off. Hang on, right there. Hit the fuller.
You ready?
Are we ready? It didn't do anything. Why is it not doing it? Is that it?
I don't like the lift.
Back to the drawing board.
Blown the fuse.
Try it again. Press it.
Not yet.
Press it. Full transparency here. I am not perfect, even though I think I am. But what we've done was this hose here into this red connector, and this one, when we took it off to wire that plug in, switched them the wrong way around. So tank to red plug, tank to red plug, and I think that was our issue. So we're just filling the tank back up again, and then we're going to pull the button again. And if that doesn't work, I'm going home. So I don't know. Round 927.
900. You ready?
Hope so.
Countdown.
Nah.
3.
It worked.
It worked.
It worked.
The front is a monster truck.
Look at this. And if you press it now, it goes down. So how do you get it back down?
It's not going back down. I think we need to release that valve.
What, every time?
Nah, just we've got it all the way in.
Oh yeah, yeah. Woo! Spits down.
It dropped you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just need to.
Long to fill up.
We just got to mess with the valve a bit. Sad. Oh, just press it now. It should go up. If you press it now, does it go down?
Yeah.
Ooh. Set you up here.
Oh, your phone dropped.
Want me to leave it up overnight?
Yeah, you can do, yeah.
Oh! This is aired up, isn't it, this?